Are the challengers. One is KD from Canada, which is this one, and one from the States, this one. I have set up the kitchen, 2 pots with water that is boiling.
Your noodles are gonna get mushy.
No, I say I always put it for 7 minutes.
And Stephanie boiled hers for under 7 minutes. She likes it more al dente.
That's right. Can't stand mushy noodles.
I like pot 1.
Why?
Well, that one is like the noodles are a little overcooked, and this one I feel like has more flavor.
Okay. So
That's
you're going for
interesting.
pot 1.
I'm going for pot 2.
Okay, why?
It's a little creamier, which I like, and I like my pasta noodles a little softer. So
Okay.
Very cool.
Number 1 is the American version.
You're both
Number 2
right.
is the Canadian.